forever, bro. And this is something like you don't see every day, so you gotta capture it. But I haven't seen shit, son. That shit sounds so good. This shit about to die, bro. Look at that gang shit. It's like 2 to 1, it's like back to back, but that one is like, oh, it's like over there or some shit. 2 to phase. Shit is nice, it's flush. I want to get a picture of like them coming in. Like, look at that one. Hold on. Like these ones. Like this. It's nice. So this just sounds nice as shit too. Like, it's not like the little exhaust and shit. See, like this car, like right there, that's the car that we seen on the highway. Like, we scared the shit out of that dude. Like, he didn't know. I want to get this fucking red WX, bro. I don't know what they're parking at. I'm not trying to be in these dudes' shops. This shit right there is fucking badass. Look at that shit. What the fuck, son? That was them. That's fucking crazy as shit. Is this island vibes? Look at this shit, son. He's low as fuck, bro. Oh, homie's from New York. Too much shit going on right now. With your son, yeah, bro. Like, this is the same car we saw on the highway when me and Rob was like going to the place. Like, we scared the dude and everything.
Bitch, hold up, I gotta push in my pocket. That's your babe. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the same car too. Yo, that's crazy. It's a small world. But, yo, son, I ain't even fucking see this car. Y'all niggas come out and cock our heads. That's not nice, I know, but I don't care. It look cool. I always see his car, but I never see him. Yo, I want a dog so bad, bro. Especially like a pit bull. Oh, I'm sorry. That man is a beautiful man. They talking bad in Spanish. I can blur that out. Yo, I see this one. I haven't seen this one in a while either. This is the one that was at the Imperial Dynasty meet, I think. These people are freaking weird, bro. They're weird. hold up. Is this the guy? Hold up. Yo, he a liar, bro.
You liar!
That's why I always see this dude on like where we go? On Instagram. Dad.
Young Nab, baby.
Purchase your tracks today.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.